With public unrest rising, what is the plan to protect domestic and foreign investment from reputational risk? And what assurances can the palace give to investors that corruption risks are being addressed effectively, especially after the president's pronouncement po during his SONA that foreign investors should go to the Philippines?
But anyway, we all know that investors want to invest in countries whose leaders fight corruption, whose leaders are willing to put in jail people who are corrupt. And that is what the president is doing right now. Siya lamang po ang presidente na nagpapaimbestiga ng malawakang anomalya, especially itong flood control projects, kahit sa panahon ng kanyang administrasyon. Wala sino man sa ngayon na nalalaman tayo na pinaimbestigahan niya ang sariling administrasyon. Lahat halos ay nagmamalinis. Pero ang Pangulo ay matapang na lumabas upang ipaalam sa tao ang maaaring pang-aabuso sa kaban ng bayan. So sa tingin natin, with that, we believe na lahat ng investors masahangaan ng Pangulo dahil lumalaban sa korupsyon.
Thank you, ma'am.